Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this video, we will read Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verse 1. We'll see how to say this in Hebrew, and we'll learn some new verbs and vocabularies and words. So to everything there is a season, and this season is now. In Hebrew, קוהלת, פרק ג', פסוק א'. The name of the Megillah is called קוהלת. Why? Because in chapter 1, verse 1, פרק א', פסוק א', you can see that in Hebrew is written דברי קוהלת בן דוד מלך בירושלים. And this is the translation from King James Version, the words of the preacher, the son of David, king in Jerusalem. Divrei, the words, hadvarim. Kohelet, we'll talk about this in a minute. Ben, son, David, Melech, king, in Jerusalem, בירושלים, Yerushalayim, and in Jerusalem, בירושלים. And the son of David was King Solomon, Hamelech Shlomo. And this is like another name of Hamelech Shlomo, Kohelet. It comes from the root shoresh, kof hei lamed, binyan hif'il. And more about Shoresh and Binyanim, you can see the video number 8, and I will put the link in the description box below if you forgot all about this Shoresh Shorashim and Binyan Binyanim, so you will understand. Binyan Hif'il is active form, like someone is making another someone doing a thing. So Shoresh Kof hei lamed, like this, kof hei lamed, and you will understand, preacher, like someone who get the people in front of him and then he preaches things. And hu hikil, binyan hif'il, he assembled people together. And community, congregation in Hebrew is kehila. With Niqqud, without Niqqud, so we need the yod, so we'll know that this is the sound of he, kehila, kehila. So Kohelet comes from someone who knew how to assemble people together. The full verse is, as you can see, less words in Hebrew, so you need less time to read Hebrew. לכול, זמן, ואת לכל חפץ, תחת השמיים. Let's read it quickly in English. To everything there is a season and a time to every purpose under the heaven. Let's read it in Hebrew. Let's break it down. לכול, actually it is to plus any or every and all, because was the word hakol, everything, with le, and together we lost the hey, it fell, and we got lakol. Time is zman. Time in plural, times in Hebrew, zmanim, and is ve. Season, it's actually also time in Hebrew, et. And in plural, it could be itim or itot. This is masculine plural, and this is feminine plural. Yep, it happens. So, singular, et. And that looks familiar, but here, lechol, the hey was for the definiteness. And here is לכול. You can know this because here it is la. La, we know that there was a hey definiteness, but le, this is in general. So, לכול. In the Bible, ואת לכל חפץ. So, חפץ in the Bible, the meaning was desire or wish. Nowadays, in Hebrew, the meaning is object. Though if you understand that in English, you can say my object is, so my wish, my desire is too. But nowadays, if you hear the word object, חפץ like a thing, and חפצים, plural, is objects. It comes, חט פי צדיק, from the שורש חפץ. And there is this verb, לחפוץ, בניין פעל, more about derived stems and constructions, בניינים, in lesson 8, and I will put the link in the description box below. So the verb לחפוץ, בבניין פעל, active form is to want, to be interested in. You can see how the meaning and the message changed or stayed the same. And if you say the shoresh, the same shoresh, חט פי צדיק, in binyan hif'il, the meaning is different. It's like to objectify, להחפיץ. Interesting. So if you want to say to someone, don't objectify me, if you turn to a man, you would say, אל תחפיץ אותי. And if you turn to a woman, you will tell her, אל תחפיצי אותי. אל תחפיץ אותי, אל תחפיצי אותי. And all comes from object, חפץ. In the Bible, it was wish or desire. תחת is under, and actually nowadays תחת is also our backside. But in this sentence in the Bible, yes, it's under. השמיים. So hey for the definiteness, and שמיים, the sky or heaven. The sky is the limit. השמיים הם הגבול. Hem here is the cupola. It's like A is B. השמיים הם הגבול. גבול is the limit. But actually the meaning of this is like there is no limit. You can do everything you want. So I just like added this so you'll learn more from the original verse. Going back to the full verse, לכול זמן, for everything there is time, לכול זמן, ואת, also time, לכול חפץ. Here in the sense of desire and wish. So if someone is pressuring you to do something, you would say, ואת לכל חפץ. I don't want this to happen right now. תחת השמיים, under the heaven. שמיים in Hebrew is plural. לכול זמן ואת לכל חפץ תחת השמיים. But now, אבל עכשיו, הזמן נגמר. Time's up. So I will see you next time. להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.